Hello, my name is MakingNoobMovies, and I'm making a video here to try and help out some people who had problems running Assassin's Creed Rogue. And in this specific case you get sound but no video. So I'm gonna show you how I solve the problem. So what you wanna do first is let's see here. You need to go to Game Properties, Local Files, and Open Folder, so you can find the game. And then you look for this file, which will be labeled Application. Then left click it once. Let's see if I can focus a bit. Left click it once and then right click. Then you go to where you choose the graphic processor, and then you'll see I have an Nvidia graphic processor and an integrated one. And the people will tell you sometimes to pick this one, just run it like this, but that does not really work. What you have to do is go to the bottom here, where you can change standard, and then just wait until it opens. This will take you to the 3D settings, and as you can see here, I already have the program and I've set it to my Nvidia graphical processor, but most people won't find the program like this at first, so just go to Add, and another window should pop up and show you applications that you have. Yes, give it some time. Let's see here. It sure is slow. There we are. Now the program is right here, so you just mark it and go to Add Selected Program, but I already done so. Then just go to select the preferred graphics processor and choose your high-powered processor. In my case it's on the Nvidia one. So that should be it, but for good measure I recommend you run as administrator as well. Just in case. See, the game is starting. Here comes the logo. Then I can press any key. And I'm in. So this is basically how I solve the problem. I know some people who don't get audio or anything at all. I don't know if this works for those people, but anyone will get audio but no pictures should really try this. So well, please like and maybe favorite and subscribe maybe if you want to see some random gameplay videos and stuff. Thanks for watching.